This is a video to show you how to create a debate graph. So you go to DebateGraph.org, and this is the home page of the debate graph. The first thing that you want to do is you want to register with DebateGraph, and it's pretty simple. You fill out your information and click register. I'm already registered, so I'll just log in and show you what you do. This is the required information, and once you put your email in, it will send you a confirmation email. Make sure that it is your email. So you go in your email account and click on the link to verify your email. So once you're registered, you can log in. And I'll log in right now. And you go to create map. And very simple, you just put in a title. For the sake of uniformity, I'm saying let's create titles with the word CFS38 in it, and then afterwards you put debate and what debate you are. So if you're debate 1, then you'd put debate 1. Debate 1, right? So you'd put CFS38 and then debate 1. If you're debate 2, then you put CFS38 debate 2, and so on. And so in this case, for the demo, I will put CFS38 demo. Leave it as public, and then click on create map. So it's done, and then you go to your new map there. And this is the page you get to where you can pretty easily create your debate graph. So you should have already listed out what the issues are, what your positions are, what the supporting arguments are, what the opposing arguments are. All that should be listed out, and here you're just putting it on the debate graph. So this is so in here you'd put this would be debate 1, and debate 1 would be whatever issue it is, and then you'd have your positions coming out from here. So you'd click add to map, and then you see you can add the issue here, and really it would be issue. You're not doing a protagonist right now. So you'd put in your first issue, so issue 1. And issues are, again, usually in the form of a question. So what is issue 1 all about? And so you want a very short title for your issue here. It's limited to 70 characters. So you put in a short title, and then you can add a rollover here. And in the rollover you have 300 characters, and here you can explain in more detail what issue 1 is about. So issue 1 is asking a question. There you go. So you have some space to kind of outline exactly what you mean behind that question. And then when you're done, you click finish. And voila, it added to the map. So this is the main issue, demo 1 here. Sorry, this is the main debate, and then this is issue 1. Again, you can continue on here, and you can add your second issue. And again, you can add a rollover. just to show you that you can add some detail there. And once again, click finish. And there it is. And of course, you can move things around on the debate graph so that it is the way you like it. And you see the issue, and then if you go over it, there's your rollover with the information that you put on there. There's a rollover for issue 1 there too. Okay. Now, when you've added all your issues, then you'd want to put in your positions. So you click on, say you want to just start with issue 1, you click on issue 1, and then you can simply add to map, and then this time maybe you want to add a position. So it will change blue, so make sure it's blue signifying a position. So you can say issue 2, issue 1. And again, the positions would be kind of answers to your issue. Right, so issue 1 is about issue 1. And again, just as you did with your issues, you can also add a rollover here, and then you have more time to explain what you mean by that. So and blah blah blah. Doesn't spend too much time trying to figure that out. There you are, issue 1. And again, you can go continue on here, and you can add another issue and so on. So for example, there it is, and then you can add another position. You can put it on to issue 1, and you can put another position and so on. Put as many positions as you like. Alright, and then with each position that you have, then you'll want to add either a supportive argument or an opposing argument. Okay, so a supportive argument would be in the green, and then you'd say so you want to provide some kind of evidence in support of your position. And again, you can add rollovers. Blah, blah, blah. I'm all out of things to say there. Finish. And there it is. My first position. And then I can add a opposing argument. And again, you can add a rollover. And there you go. So that's basically how you put things in. And again, the bigger one is to go up, the smaller ones are to go down. And here you are in the middle. So if you wanted to go back up, you can go back up to that. That's issue 1, and then you can go back up to, this is the main debate with your 2 issues. So issue 1 and issue 2. Issue 1, we created 1 position, and then in that position we had 2 arguments. One is a supporting argument, which was green. One is a pink argument, which was a counter argument. Okay, and then we go back up. So this is a position for issue 1, and then these are the arguments. This is position 1. We can go back up, and then if we go back up to the, so if we had more positions here, you'd see more positions here. And then we wanted to go back up to the main debate. This is the main debate, and then you see the 2 positions there. So it's really, really simple to create. Make sure that you bookmark it when you're done, and just send me an email when you're done with it, so I'll know that it's done and I can try to look for it. Alright, so hopefully this will provide you with enough information to create your debate graph.